everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something fun for all of our May babies, or if you like the color green. I did an emerald inspired look because this month is my birthday and I thought we should pay tribute to a beautiful birthstone that is emerald. So that's why we have all the green going on today. I also am wearing my friend Shelly's earring. I'm going to link her shop down below. Please go check her out. She makes incredible jewelry. I used some new products today as well as some old favorites as usual. So if you want to see how to get this look right here, then keep on watching. Look how little my pony is now. I have done my base, obviously. So let's zoom in and get started on these eyes. So I'm gonna use something that I've never used before. I'm gonna use a colored primer base. This is from Beauty Creations in the shade Jade. Since I am doing like an emerald eye today for my birthstone, I figured this would be a perfect chance to try this. Okay, so I'm kind of just placing it like that because I think that's the shape we're gonna go for. And now let's hope that the other eye can follow suit. We're gonna blend out the edges, I think, just with a blank brush. I forgot to set down some powder for catching colors, but it's okay because we weren't using any shadows yet, but now we are. So I'm going to start with the shade Spiked, I think. It's like a muted puke green. I hate saying that, but it's like what it is. There's a really deep green that like has a little shimmer in it in this palette right here. I think I want that like on the lid. I think I've decided. I want that color on the lid, but we're gonna do a halo eye. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Gecko and take that on a flat brush, and we're gonna start the halo effect. Really focusing it on like the outer bit, like that, and then do it also in the inner corner. That's looking even. So then same brush, just like wipe it all off. Gonna dip into the Virgin Mojito palette from KimChi Chic, and I'm taking the shade Lime Fizz, and that's gonna be the center of our halo eye. I'm like really into this base. I think it made everything just look incredible. Then just like touch up the deeper bit. Now we need the shade Sour Pop, which is a deep green shade, definitely more emerald tone, which is what we're going for. We're gonna put that in the crease. I think I'm going to align my bottom lash line with white, also from Beauty Creation, and then I'm going to take the same brush that we used on the crease, and we're gonna go in with the Sour Pop color. And then maybe even the darker sparkly shade, I think, on the outer bit. Okay, I'm going to do my brows and lashes off camera. Then I'll be back so we can finish up the face and the lips and get this look finished. Okay, we are back. I put on my lashes and my brows. Honestly, I'm like really pleased with this look. I think it's coming together. So let's jump into bronzer, blush, and highlight so we can get this show on the road. As usual, I'm using my KimChi bronzer. Here we go. Turned on. So we got that on. Now to use the Mod About You palette. I think the orange blush will look really cool with the green eye. And I'm gonna use the Trixie Cosmetics blush brush. Start with Plush Bunny, which is the middle shade. Yeah, I think I might just keep that and then do Plush Bunny on the end of my nose and then like a little bit of GoGo Girl. I like lightly tap GoGo Girl on. I think it looks good. So let's move on to highlight. I'm gonna use my glow kit from Anastasia. I'm gonna use the shade Forever Young on my cheekbone, and then the white one, I think, on my nose and my eyes. I'm gonna take a tiny brush in the white shade and get on my brow bone, I think. Oh yeah, and then the inner corner. Really like this. Let's do some setting spray and then we'll do the lip. I think I'm gonna do the Eden lipstick from Trixie Cosmetics. Wait, I'm gonna try this. I saw this on TikTok. Actually, I'll link the TikTok below. I think that worked. If you're someone that struggles like me sometimes with like trying to line your upper lip, or if you want like fuller lips, this is a good little hack. But I think the face is finished, so I'm gonna do my hair. I'll be right back with the final look. And here's the final look. I put on my cute green earrings my friend Shelly made. I will link her shop below. And I'm just really stoked with how this green turned out, you guys. This base made all the difference. So if you have not checked out Beauty Creations, please go check them out. They are a small independent makeup brand and we always need to support those. To all my fellow May babies, happy birthday. I love being a Taurus. I love having a May birthday. Comment down below if you're a fellow May baby. I want to wish you a happy birthday. And you guys, I just hit 170 subscribers. I cannot freaking believe this. Thank you guys so much for being here with me on this journey, figuring out how YouTube works and making videos. I just feel so supported and so loved, and just thank you so much. With that being said, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that today. Hit the thumbs up on this video if you liked this look, and that's all I got for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.